DIY treehouse enthusiasts. I had another video planned for you, but I had to dump the whole thing because it was too quiet. It's too quiet. I've been having trouble with technical things, and that's why I've got this right here. That's supposed to make me sound a little louder. But I did notice that it's not just that. I was talking to my mom, my 94-year-old mom, and she says, "Richard, I can't hear you. You're too quiet. It's too quiet. I can't hear it." And I wanted to blame this on the fact that she might be hard of hearing at 94. So, but I was willing to look. I was willing to check the video over and see if maybe things, if I could do something about it. And I listened to it, and I came to the conclusion, it was difficult. I came to the conclusion that I'm a mumbler.
No, a mumbler! I'm a mumbler! It's true. I'm a mumbler.
This is good. I'm trying to turn this into a good thing because making these videos is difficult. And I wanted to include this in what I do, but it is time consuming, and I was wondering at what point I might lose interest in it. They're fun to edit, but they are a lot of time. And now I have a new incentive, and the new incentive is that I can work on my presentation of myself, which is something I've always wanted to work on. I want to be more clear. I want to be able to state things carefully and concisely, take my time. Part of what I like about homesteading and generating my income from rentals is that it gives me the flexibility to do things that I might really... Wait. As for projects today, we're just going to check out this my backhoe. I've been having some problems with it. The mice, I have problems with mice in everything I do. They get into my tree houses, they get into my vehicles. One time I had a car, and they ate every single wire on the car, and every wire, in the motor, underneath, everywhere. Totally ruined the car. So in this case, my backhoe is a forward reverse transmission. And so it has gears, but then it has this forward and reverse lever that allows it to be more efficient for, say, loading. So you can pull into the pile and scoop, and then reverse and pull back, and then push forward. And so it makes it easy to do that type of stuff. But it's not great when the mice get into the linkage itself, which is in the transmission, and they make these nests. So I've had this happen before, and there's one little access point where you can reach up in there and pull stuff out, and it looks like I have to do it again. It's not my favorite job, but it's one that's got to be done. So let's do that.
All right, here we go.
watching today. I hope I didn't mumble.
That I'm a mumbler.
Did. Let me know. Let me know. Trying to get the hang of this stuff. All right. So, like and subscribe.